this picture, the car is no stranger to trash. Trash is everywhere in the car, on the streets, highways, in the corners, the alleyways, it's everywhere. And worst of all, it's being disposed in the worst manner possible, by burning it. The International School of the Car was established in 1983 and is a current contributor to the trash issue in Dakar, Senegal. Here is a video of the dump before I go into more detail with the PowerPoint hereafter.
My curiosity about how ISD was impacting the car. I did some research on how ISD deals with trash and how trash in itself is an issue in the car. So I pretty much researched how ISD contributed to an issue that was already existing within the car. To begin, my project idea was finding the International School of the Car's role in the trash and pollution issue in the car. So you can pretty much understand the idea and my thesis, which consisted of how it contributed. These are just some questions that were in my thought process, and I thought that it would be noteworthy to just write down, and so that you can be able to better perceive how I got the information that I have acquired. Statistics. I've been trying to find how many people contribute to the trash issue in the car, how much trash is in the car, what are some possible reasons that people throw their trash in the streets, and what is the Department of Health doing about this? What effect does this have on the environment and in turn on the people? And what does this mean for the cars tomorrow? Well, for starters, I just took some subtopic headings. And in order to answer those questions, the first thing I've noticed about the trash in the car is that for any visitor, it would strike them that the garbage is just everywhere, and that the problem can therefore be found in the people, because the people, just for starters, they just throw their garbage unapologetically everywhere, on the floor, in the sand, in the water, in the streets, everywhere and anywhere.
And here's just an illustration of someone throwing trash.
But can we really blame the people? What has the car been doing to reinforce recycling? I mean, when we go through the streets of the car, we don't see that many recycling bins. In fact, some have never seen recycling bins in the whole city. And that might be one big reason why people don't throw their trash properly. They don't see anywhere to put it. Well, in the car, the waste removal systems exist by either burning trash or by sending it out to the sea.
Example of the burning method in which even the International School of the Car is a participant in.
And in terms of the burning trash, I did some research and found out that the International School of the Car, their trash is collected by a truck, and then it is loaded away to a local dump, and there while they're sending out to sea method can affect the fish, and for example, fish may eat plastic, which could kill them, or fish could be poisoned, and then when the same fishermen from the car go and try to go fishing so that they can sell this in the market, they may in fact hurting other Senegalese people. So this does nothing but hurt the people in a
This is
cycle.
an image of the chain as it goes around from the sea to all of the pollution and back into your dinner plate.
As we go on, I have some opinions from some people in the International School of the Car about why they believe others throw trash irresponsibly without any thought for any future consequences for the environment. One person said that a lot of the people in Senegal are not educated about the issue with pollution, so they have no other place to throw trash than outside their houses or on the street. Another said, I think that people are used to not throwing their trash away, and that they're not used to doing the correct thing. I think that people do it because it doesn't directly affect them. Little do they know that it really does. There are enough trash cans in the car. A simple fact which is true. The last person simply said that it's simply easier.
Here are some pictures showing the effects of trash in Dakar, Senegal. Here in this first picture, we have some women and a girl that are trying to wade through the garbage in their neighborhood. The other picture is a picture of trash on a beach. And here are just some pictures showing the big ideas of what comes in my mind when I think about the trash issue in Senegal.